Okay, this is my friend Emily, and she's from Mrs. Whitmore's class, and she's going to read some chapters in Edward Tulane.
Once there was a princess who was very beautiful. She shone as bright as the stars on a moonless night. But what difference did it make that she was beautiful? None. No difference. Why did it make no difference? Asked Abilene. Because, said Pellegrina, she was a princess who loved no one and cared for nothing for love, not even though there were many who loved her. At this point in the story, Pellegrina stopped and looked right at Edward. She stared deep into his painted-on eyes, and again, Edward felt a shiver go through him. "And so," said Pellegrina, still staring at Edward. "What happened to the princess?" asked Abilene. "And so," said Pellegrina, turning back to Abilene, "the king, her father, said that the princess must marry, and soon after this a prince came from a neighborhood kingdom, and he saw the princess, and immediately he loved her. He gave her a ring of pure gold. He placed it on her finger. He said these words to her, 'I love you.' But do you know what the princess did?" Abilene shook her head. "She swallowed the ring. She took it from her finger and swallowed it. She said, 'That is what I think of love,' and she ran from the prince. So she left the castle and went deep into the woods." And so what?" said Abilene. "What happened then?" "And so the princess became lost in the woods. She wandered for many days. Finally, she came to a little hut and knocked on the door. She said, 'Let me in, I am cold.' There was no answer. She knocked again. She said, 'Let me in, I am hungry.' A terrible voice answered her. The voice said, 'Enter if you must.'"
Good morning, everyone. We're gonna go outside for the recess. It's not raining currently. Might take advantage of it. Maybe our only opportunity to get out today. So let's take advantage of that. So we will be having outdoor recess this morning. Thank you.
The beautiful princess entered, and she saw a witch sitting at a table counting pieces of gold. 3,622, said the witch. "I am lost," said the beautiful princess. "What of it?" said the witch. 3,623. "I am hungry," said the princess. "Not my concern," said the witch. 3,624.
Dr. Pirtle please come to the office. Dr. Pirtle, please come to the office.
"But I am a beautiful princess," said the princess. 3,625, replied the witch. "My father," said the princess, "is a powerful king. You must help me or there will be consequences." "Consequences?" said the witch. She looked up from her gold.
You guys are all